Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to space for elevating your outdoor living. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been looking for a way to give your yard a sleek, sophisticated, and effortlessly cool transformation, you are in for a treat today. Today we are diving deep into one of the most iconic, enduring, and stunning outdoor aesthetic trends: mid-century modern garden landscaping. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy patio, these timeless design secrets will instantly upgrade your outdoor vibe and turn your space into a high-end retreat. Let's jump right in. Mid-century modern garden landscaping is an outdoor design style inspired by the mid-20th century, roughly from the 1940s through the 1960s, that emphasizes architectural lines, seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, and functional geometry. At its core, this style treats the garden as a natural extension of the home's interior. It relies heavily on clean horizontal lines, minimalist plant palettes, structural hardscaping like gravel and poured concrete, and a balance between organic nature and man-made forms. The main reason to choose mid-century modern landscaping is its unmatched balance of timeless elegance and low-maintenance functionality. Unlike lush, high-maintenance gardens that require constant trimming and watering, mid-century gardens use architectural plants like agaves, ornamental grasses, and snake plants paired with hardscaping materials like river rocks, pavers, and wooden slat screens. This means less time pulling weeds and mowing lawns, and more time relaxing in a stylish, serene environment that never goes out of style. Post-war mid-century modern homes were designed to blend indoor and outdoor living. Homeowners could view their gardens through floor-to-ceiling windows and easily interact with the outdoor environments through sliding glass doors and patios level with interior floors. Landscaping for these homes was, and remains, clean and uncomplicated, with an emphasis on hardscape and the pleasures of outdoor living. Check out these 15 beautiful mid-century modern inspired landscaping ideas that can work in a variety of modern settings. One. Mix and Asian influences. Mid-century modern landscape. Mid-century modern homes in California were often designed for the Mediterranean climate. Atriums were built at the entrance or in the center of the home. This Orange County atrium from Lee and Marienthal Gardens blends mid-century and Asian design using boulders, a pond waterfall, a flagstone patio, and shade-tolerant plants like Japanese maples. 2. Keep it small. Mid-century modern garden design. Northwest Native Landscapes used a combination of hardscape, sharp angles, and plants with textural details for a small post-war home in Portland, Oregon. 3. Add sustainable plants. The owners of an eichler home in Northern California redesigned their landscape to incorporate sustainable features and add native and drought-tolerant plants. Designed by one of the owners of Building Lab and his landscape designer wife, the landscape features a sloping front yard that visually connects it with the surrounding hills. 4. Oakland Eichler. Beckner Contracting restored this eichler home in Northern California's Oakland Hills, enhancing the home's trademark carport and entry atrium with wall-hugging planters filled with agapanthus and delicate shoots of bamboo against the entry wall. 5. Incorporate concrete pavers. Masya Design Studio revamped a Laguna Niguel, California home designed by Southern California architect George Bissell with concrete pavers, a low concrete wall, and planting beds with evenly spaced drought-tolerant plants. 6. Add geometric lines. Mid-century modern landscaping. This Palm Springs, California, backyard from Michelle Boudreau design features desert-friendly landscaping and geometric concrete and gravel hardscaping that complements the updated mid-century modern style of the home. 7. Make it organic. Mid-century modern landscaping. Mid-century modern landscaping often prioritizes an organic look and feel that complements the clean lines of the architecture, like this backyard pool patio from Joshua Smith Inc. 8. Light the palm trees. Mid-century modern landscape design. Borden Landscape at Curb appealed to this modernist-inspired Sarasota, Florida home with hardscape, Floridian palm trees, and lush coastal foliage that is lit up after dark to create a warm and welcoming feel. 9. Let it grow. Mid-century modern backyard. Boston-based Flavin Architects updated a home by architect Robert Coolidge, a contemporary of the famous modernist Walter Gropius. Viewed from the back, the home features a 2-level yard, each with a private walled patio that offers intimacy and outdoor living surrounded by plenty of lush greenery with a lived-in look. 10. Draw a line. Mid-century modern landscape design. A modern home in Portland, Oregon, built by Don Tankersley and Company and designed by Situ Architecture, emphasizes natural materials and a linear design. Planting design by Michael Schultz. Landscape design is clean and Asian-influenced, with bonsais in wide, low pots. Accent illumination is by Oregon Outdoor Lighting. 11. Keep it minimal. Mid-century modern landscaping. The front yard of this Palm Springs mid-century modern home from Michel Boudreau Design is xeriscaped with a smattering of cacti and plants in varying shades of green that complement the minimalist facade and the desert setting. 12. Rock out. Mid-century modern landscape design. Floating pavers in a sea of Mexican River rock lead to the entry of an Eichler home in Southern California. Created by Grounded, the design is modern, focusing on bold shapes, repetition, minimalism, and a deep connection between architecture and the landscape. 13. Stay green. Clockwork designed a carpet of green grass, rimmed by a neat border of Mexican River rock, that hugs the concrete patio and surround of this mid-century modern home in Kansas City, Missouri. 14. Freshen up. Mid-century modern home. Weber Plus Studio. Architects breathed new life into a mid-century modern in Austin, Texas. Architect David Weber added cedar benches that matched the home's exposed wood. The original concrete and aggregate driveway and path were reused as saw-cut pavers for a new walkway. 15. Include a water feature. Mid-century modern landscaping. Michel Boudreau Design includes a water feature and integrated planter boxes that can be seen from the street, as well as from the inside of the home for a seamless indoor-outdoor feel. Integrating mid-century modern landscaping into your home isn't just about following a trend. It's about creating a harmonious, low-stress sanctuary where architecture and nature exist in perfect balance. With clean lines, striking geometric planters, and a clean plant palette, you can transform any standard yard into an architectural masterpiece that feels open, airy, and inviting. If you love these mid-century modern garden ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for weekly inspiration on turning your outdoor spaces into dream retreats. Which mid-century element are you excited to try in your yard? Drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.